I am 42, trying to do my best to age gracefully. I haven't done any Botox or anything yet, but I'm dipping my toes into the whole anti-aging skincare and devices thing together with you. Today I'm going to be trying out this Amiro R3 Turbo Facial RF Skin Tightening Device that was sent to me to review. So if you're like me and you're curious about sculpting your face, tightening your skin, and improving those fine lines and skin texture at home with radio frequency, keep watching. I'm gonna try this out for the first time. I'm gonna tell you how it feels, honestly, and we'll see what kind of transformation we can achieve. Let's go. Wow, this comes with a lot of stuff. Two of these, Amiro Hydrating Moisturizing Serum Gel. This one is the Amiro Timeless Firming Lifting Face and Neck Mask with niacinamide, caffeine, and ergothioneine. You've got 4 sets of those. This one is the Amiro Refreshing Anti-Wrinkle Firmness Collagen Lyophilized Eye Mask Set with proline, glycine, alanine, carnosine, and riboflavin. You got 4 of those as well. You've got your user manuals, basic instructions, USB-A to USB-C charging cable, no wall plug included, a gorgeous storage bag, velvety, really nice, and your RF skin tightening device. Unwrap it. It is purple and so pretty. When you're just storing it, you can put it in here, throw it in your linen closet or your medicine cabinet. Super cute, it's gonna travel well. You're gonna wanna make sure it's charged up, then you just pop off the top. There are your electrodes on the top. Controls are all here. You control the levels here, up or down. You're gonna wanna do higher for your cheeks and jawline, lower strength for your eyes and forehead. The power button is how you'll switch through the modes. The first mode is intensive eye care to firm around your eyes. It's gonna give you soothing yellow light plus EMS microcurrent and central electrode radio frequency. I can feel like ever so slightly, like an eye twitch kind of feeling. Barely. I feel funny. A little bit warm. Feels good. Oh yeah, right in there by the eye is where you feel it. You can do this without the mask, and in that case, you would just use that gel. The eye mask just gives you like extra goodness for your skin. Teeny bit of tingling, but pretty much in this lowest setting, you feel just about nothing. Absolutely no pain or discomfort. It's just like the teeniest odd feeling, if that makes sense. It's fun. It feels really nice. It buzzes halfway through, like, so you do 2 minutes here and it buzzes, and then you do 2 minutes here and then it turns itself off. So easy. Take that off. It's not oily, it's like a very light gel kind of feeling. Those little tablets, like fully absorbed, they're gone. Do we see any difference in my crow's feet? The next one is V lifting mode for a sculpted jawline. Stretch the face mask over your face. I look crazy, but it feels good. This one uses center electrode radio frequency plus EMS turbo current and red light. You feel that one. It's not a shock, like a tingle. Not bad, just weird. Down to like your chin area is like, oh, really strong feeling. So that was the buzz telling me to switch sides. I don't really feel it back here so much. And it buzzed to tell you to turn off. I mean, no pain. Just a really weird tingle buzz kind of feel. It says to wear this mask for 10 to 15 minutes and then rub in the excess serum. Do I have a V-line? Oh, I don't know. I don't know. One time only gonna make a difference, or this is cumulative probably. Probably very cumulative. The last mode is full face anti-aging mode, which gives you red light, infrared light, EMS turbo microcurrent, and center electrode radio frequency. I don't feel anything here. This one, I am feeling like the tiniest little stingings. Not painful, a little more uncomfortable than the other 2 modes. It's almost like when your leg falls asleep kind of tingling feeling. Just like surprising because it's not constant, like it's on like a cycle a little bit. So when it comes on, it like surprises you. But yeah, nothing painful or bad. And if it's just too much, you just turn it down to the next level. Final thoughts, I don't know if I really see anything, not significant anyway, after the first use, but I do think that it's one of those cumulative kind of things. It suggests doing it 2 to 3 times a week So I'm gonna keep going and see what I see after like 30 days. But it's easy to use, really intuitive. I love all the stuff it comes with, the masks, the gel. There's no pain or discomfort, like really gentle on your skin. I have rosacea in my cheeks and on my nose, and it didn't inflame that. Not the device, not the masks, not the gel. So everything seems really gentle, even for the most sensitive skin. Really cool anti-aging, tightening device to add to your routine. If you want to try it out, shop with my affiliate code and discount link in the video description below, and let me know what you think.